Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung A13. In our case here, we have our Samsung A13 that the user forgot their pattern and they are using the Face ID to unlock. And this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to hard reset this phone. In our case here, it has, if you want to turn it off, it will ask for the pattern. And you can't get the phone off. So what you're going to do, you're going to follow this sequence that I'm going to use here. You're going to press the volume down key till the phone turns off. So when the phone turns off, you'll see the Samsung logo. Then you click the volume up key. Then you release the power button. Then it will take us to the recovery mode. So when you go to the recovery mode, as you can see here, what you're going to do here, you're going to go ahead and click the down arrow key. Then you see wipe. You see this option, wipe data and factory reset. And this will wipe everything on your phone and you lose all the data. And this will bring back the phone to factory settings. So what you're going to do, you're going to click the power key to accept changes. So when you reach here, you're going to read the prompt that you see there. Then you're going to go to factory data reset. So after doing that, the phone will start wiping everything. And then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go here, wipe cache partition. You click the power key, then you click the down arrow key to accept. We use the power key. And the next thing here you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and restart the phone. And I'm going to power my phone and put it down here. Then it's going to start loading the files as brand new. So we're going to wait for it. We're going to wait for it to finish. So this was just a quick video on how to hard reset. And I'm going to show you how to bypass the Google account if we need to do so. So the next video we shall go ahead and show you how to bypass it, but we have the user Gmail. I have it here. The user is going to log in their Gmail so that, but in my next video I'll try to do that for you. So you're going to wait for the phone. So you wait for the phone to finish the process. And this is the Samsung Galaxy A13. So when you reach that point, the phone is almost, and we are going to go ahead and, so now we are going to go in the hard reset. So I'm going to click start and to ask for a SIM card. Then I'm going to agree for the terms and conditions. And I'll click agree. Then the next thing, search nearby device. Then after here, we are going to go ahead. I'm going to skip this option by asking for the network. So I can't skip this process, but I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi network. So you make sure you connect it on that network. In our case here, we have our MiFi with the wireless network. So I'm going to go back. Then to search for that network, I'm going to input the password here. Then the phone will connect. So this is going to check for new updates. You have to wait for it to complete its process. So now the phone is getting ready. Let's continue. You have to wait. And this was just a video on how to hard reset your Samsung A13. And my other video, I'll show you more videos on how to hard reset. We have the Samsung A23 in the house, but the same process applies to all Samsung phones. So we're going to wait for the update. So now the phone has connected to the network. So you have to wait for it to complete. When you reach here, it's going to ask again for the pattern. And let me try the other pattern that we used, but I'm going to go for the Google account. So here the user is going to go ahead and input the Google account. So this was just a quick video on how to show you the process of hard resetting the phone. Thanks for watching. If this video has helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye. So when you reach here, it's going to ask for the Gmail, and you're going to continue. So after here, I'm going to skip the Gmail account and we shall be good to go. So I'm going to skip this. You're going to skip. Then it's going to ask to copy data from another phone, but you're not going to copy anything. I'm going to leave the phone here down to complete. I'm going to skip this. Skip. I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions. You're going to skip the password and anything. You're going to say skip anyway. And it's going to ask for this Google application that come with our Samsung. This application comes with the Samsung. I'm going to say okay. So we have everything now set up very well. So you have to wait for the phone complete. In our case, we have our Samsung A13 and it's asking you to wait. You have to be patient and it's getting started. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon or that get notified whenever I upload this video like this. Yeah, we wait and it's asking for this. I'm going to say next. I'm going to say skip. Skip. We shall set up all those things. So now we're good to go. Our phone has almost completed. The next thing I'm going to do is going to click finish, and now we're good to go. So this was just a quick video on how to resolve. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to go ahead, let's go to settings. This is our Samsung A13. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Have a nice time. Goodbye.